Major developments against several of President Trump's perceived political enemies. A judge threw out the cases against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. And Senator Mark Kelly, a former astronaut, is slamming a new Pentagon investigation triggered by Trump's comments. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio is in Washington with the details.
A major setback for the Trump administration's effort to prosecute former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. A federal judge dismissing the Justice Department's case, concluding the prosecutor Lindsay Halligan, who brought the charges at President Trump's urging, was illegally appointed by the Justice Department. Comey sharing this video online saying he's grateful to the court.
Because a message has to be sent that the President of the United States cannot use the Department of Justice to target his political enemies. I don't care what your politics are, you have to see that as fundamentally un-American and a threat to the rule of law that keeps all of us free.
James saying, "I remain fearless in the face of these baseless charges as I continue fighting for New Yorkers." It comes the same day that the Pentagon announced it's investigating Senator Mark Kelly for a breach of military law after he and several other Democratic lawmakers took part in a video urging other U.S. service members to refuse illegal orders. Trump called the video, quote, seditious behavior punishable by death. The White House later insisting the president was not calling for the lawmakers to be executed, but instead was sharing that they are supportive of the Pentagon investigation of Kelly. The retired Navy captain and American astronaut firing back, condemning the president's remarks after his wife, former Congresswoman Gabby Giffords, was shot during a 2011 event.
I know a little bit about political violence. My wife, Gabby, was nearly assassinated. She was shot in the head because of political violence. She nearly died.
Kelly may face a disciplinary process that could result in a demotion affecting his retirement benefits. In a statement, Kelly says he's given too much to this country to be silenced by bullies. Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.